Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I filmed this look for you guys, so stay tuned for that. It's actually going to be up tomorrow. I am living for this like dark plummy cranberry lip color. So pretty. I'm in my kitchen today. I'm gonna do some cleaning, some organizing. Hubby is at work. Mariah is with her dad. Anthony just left to go with his mom. And so I just have Bianca, Noah, and Dominic now. I had to throw away my old coffee machine because when we went away on vacation, it gathered mold. So this is my new baby. Anthony got it for me yesterday. I'm excited to put this together and out. What are you doing? I'm vlogging. I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Do you think I can do it? It's when you upload every day. Ninja Noah. And yeah, I'm gonna put some music on my TV. I literally cannot clean unless I have music on. So I'm gonna put music on right now. So Noah and I are going to Circle K to get a drink because we're thirsty. Or wait, what are you gonna get at the corner store? I know these aren't the healthiest for you, but the Monster coffees, my weakness. I had this makeup on all day and I feel like I've been running around and it still looks so nice. Oh, candle. I wanted to tell you guys about this candle. It is Winter Wonderland from Target. It's the Winter Wonderland. OMG, it smells so good. If you're looking for a new candle, definitely check that one out. Kitchen is almost done. 4 o'clock, what time is it? It's so gloomy outside. I am pretty much done with the kitchen. I have a couple dishes to do. On the weekends, I do the dishes, but during the week, the kids, that's one of their chores. So I kind of like give them a break and I'm gonna do the dishes and then I'm going to sweep the kitchen floor and then vacuum the house and then light incense and candles, kind of do my evening routine rituals. I was gonna open this, but we'll save that for another video. I don't wanna do it right now. So I'm gonna mop the floor and do these dishes. Bianca came inside. She's been playing outside. Do you think mommy can do Vlogmas when you upload every day to YouTube for up until Christmas? Do you think I can do it?
But you want to be able to hang out with me.
I'm gonna hang out with you. You're gonna be in all the vlogs. And then when you get older, you can look at your videos and be like, oh my God, I was so cute when I was little.
Fine.
How exciting these vlogs are gonna be because I literally just clean and do laundry all day. And the kiddos help, they do, but still. tonight's cocktail is pineapple vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Red Bull. I haven't had Red Bull in a long time, so this should be interesting.
And then when you set up your mic, whatever channel you're gonna put your vocals on, so the beat's gonna be on whatever one of these mixer channels. Your vocals, you know, you want to come over to here, and you always want to go mono. I'm trying to figure out what's popping right now and why it's popping. So, and then when you record, you're gonna want to record audio into the playlist as an audio clip. How it all works. And you'll start to be able to hear it, but I'm gonna like need to, maybe you'll need to like print out like a circle of fifths so that you kind of have an idea of what's going on. But like, so what I was doing was I was listening to the beat to figure out what key the beat was in. So whenever you're writing your melodies, it would have to be some of these notes. So what you did was...
That sounds so good.
That's what you sang. Sit, sit. Well, my voice is horrible right now because my throat is sore. But
So this would be high and this would be low?
flip-flop that. This is high, that's low.
Really? Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm just recording that little part that we were talking about.
Okay.
And then that way when we have the melody, then we can just find the words that match the melody.
Okay.
In the future, though, we're going to start with the chorus first. Because now we're going to just end up like writing the song as it goes. Because we're looking for a way to come from where you were and go into like the next thing. But this is cool. It's all a learning experience and an exercise. Which is cool because that's a call and response, which is also a really good way to write songs. Call and response. Because it's like now, like melodically, there's a call and response because it's like do 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 do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, that's it. All right, brother. Thank you.
No, for real. No, for real.
Chill out.